Hi everyone, this is Stan Scher, President and Founder of Dealer Retraining. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something very interesting that really intrigued me today. I actually had a meeting with a major dealer group here in New Jersey where I live, and it's actually interesting. I started my sales career working for one of their dealerships, and after my meeting with the main executives of the company, I picked up my very close friend who lives in the area, who sold cars at one of their dealerships when we started our sales career, and we actually stopped by the store to visit a couple of friends. My friend had to buy something from parts for his car, and it was great. I mean, I got to see some of my old managers, and we got to talk and catch up. And one of the veteran salespeople who's been there for, I don't know, almost 30 years. I mean, I remember when I was just starting out selling cars, he was a 25 car a month guy. We had really good spins that year, and he was making a ton of money. But what was really interesting was I was sitting here talking to my old sales manager, and he comes over to the desk working a deal, and I start talking to him. I go, "Hey, how's it going?" And he turns around and says to me, "Oh, man," he goes, "this sucks." He goes, "If I can only be 10 years younger." He goes, "There's guys out there with more energy than me, and they're more excited than me." He goes, "I'm just tired of this. I just can't wait to retire." Now, I don't remember his age. I mean, I believe he's got to be around 60 years old, because I know he was in his early to late 50s, 10 years ago when I started selling cars there. And, he's a really good guy. And I said, "Look," I said, "you think this is hard?" I said, "I've been in business for myself for 2 years." I said, "I'm out there cold calling, hustling, trying to grow a business for myself. Leads don't just come to me." And I said, "So if you want to exchange, what we do for a living," I said, "let's do it." I said, "You think what you do is hard?" I said, "Check out what I do. This is really difficult." And what was even more interesting, the dealership, it's in a great location. They got great advertising. They have a powerful 3-4 person BDC. They bring people in. Here's a dealership that has a separate new and used car department. The new car department does anywhere from 270 to 350 new cars a month in, month out. The traffic is there. It's one of the simplest dealerships to ever work at and sell cars. I mean, you can literally trip over car deals. And it's great. So, he's a 20 car a month guy, but he's sitting here complaining how hard it's become. And, I look at people like Robert Wiseman, who's, speaking at the upcoming Internet Sales 20 group. Yeah, he's probably half his age, but here's a man who's motivated. Here's a man who's out there, who got creative, who learned how to use digital tools and videos, and who sells over 30 cars a month, and he just loves the business. He's passionate. He's always learning. And I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you really are tired of doing the same old thing, and you're getting tired of being in the business, then just get out. I mean, why would you turn around and complain about how bad it's become? The reality of it is there's people out there looking for jobs, and they don't have skill sets. I joke a lot about me being a college dropout. It's no secret. I'm a college dropout. Twice. I kept going to school back 2 or 3 times, and I just didn't want to stick around with it. But what's amazing is, at my young age, with my 10 years experience in the business, what's amazing is that opportunities come to me. Even now, I got some dealerships calling me, trying to offer me 6-figure opportunities to run their dealerships and being, a high-level manager in their stores. And the beauty of it is that I love what I do. I'm excited about it. I breathe it. I train it. I love making people better, and I love helping dealerships be better. So I'm excited about it, but I'm always trying new things, and I'm always learning. I just got back from AutoCon. Not only was I a speaker there, but I was out there literally checking out different workshops, different speakers, networking, and learning, because I want to be better. I want to offer more to my dealers. I want to offer more to myself, make my business better, and I'm excited about it. I have a whole lifetime ahead of me. I realize that. I'm nowhere near, Grant Cardone's level. I'm nowhere near Jim Ziegler's level yet. But you know what? I admire those guys. In 30 years, I want to be like those guys. Successful, well-known, and be known for helping out, and always being excited and being on the cutting edge of things. And so, if you're a salesperson and you really just are tired of doing the same old thing, my suggestion is just look for other opportunities. And I'm not saying leave the business. If you really want to leave the business and find something better, great. My friend was just telling me today how a salesperson is leaving his job as a salesperson selling cars to go sell energy because it's $120,000. Great, good for him. He found his opportunity. I'm a car guy through and through. And so for me, it's, this is what I do. This is what I love to do. But the reality of it is just find ways to make this more exciting. This is a great business. You get to deal with some great people. You get to sell some of the best products out there. You get to provide a value to people. One thing that is great about selling cars is, you get innocent people coming into your dealership looking to buy a car because they need transportation to go to work. They need transportation so they can take their kids, to karate class or to whatever sporting event. They need to be able to go on vacation with their families. Transportation is important. We are in the transportation industry. So what you're doing is you're giving people an opportunity to get their dream car or take care of their family. There's nothing more rewarding than that. Obviously, if you're building cars and you're fixing cars to help keep people safe on the road, that's rewarding. But being able to help people get into a car, sometimes if they can't afford a car and you work it out so that they could afford the car, that is a dream come true. So just remember, what we do for a living is very rewarding. Automotive sales is a great job. There's so much that's out there. It teaches you how to be a better person in life, how to be a better professional. You learn so much just working as a salesperson and then being a manager than you can learn, I'm telling you right now, than you can learn in a college. And that's a fact. That is a fact. No college course, even a business course, has taught me the things that I've learned in this industry, whether it be selling, being on the phone, or even marketing for that matter. So I'm not saying drop out of school. All I'm saying is embrace your craft. Get good at what you're doing and keep it exciting and don't give up, because you can be very successful in this business. Thank you.